This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheel diagonally opposite to the rear wheel being removed. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, pull the trim cap from the centre of the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel bolts and remove the wheel. Position a trolley jack and a block of wood beneath the coil spring position on the trailing arm, and raise the arm so that the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Note on some models it may be necessary to remove the stone protection guard first. Slacken and remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Unscrew the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from under the wheel arch. With the shock absorber removed, prise off the plastic cap, hold the piston rod, then unscrew the nut from the top and remove the upper mounting bracket. Slide off the bump stop and tube. Fit the bump stop and tube into the upper mounting bracket, then lower them over the shock absorber piston rod. Fit a new nut to the piston rod, then tighten it securely to the specified torque. Refit the plastic cap to the top of the shock absorber. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque and angle. Insert the lower mounting bolt, but only finger tighten it at this stage. Raise the trailing arm until the correct ride height for your vehicle is achieved. Take a measurement from the centre of the hub to the highest point of the wheel arch aperture. When the correct height is set, tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Lower the trailing arm and remove the jack. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the trim cap to the centre of the wheel and remove the wheel chocks.